This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous Italian white wine grape variety that is the cousin or the same grape variety really as the French grape that they call Rolle in France. We are looking at how to pronounce Vermentino with the typical Italian pronunciation. Vermentino. You do want to insist on the T part of the word, Vermentino. But in English, it'd be fine to pronounce it Vermentino. Vermentino. Vermentino, so long as you insist on the Tino part. Vermentino. In Italian, Vermentino. Vermentino. Vermentino wine. Vino di Vermentino. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao.